Hi again, this is JP, and welcome back to Case Corner, my corner of the world, and we're opening up 4 Funko Pops. So let's go! Okay, we're back. So, sabi ko nga, bubukas tayo ng 4 na Funko Pops today. Papalitan natin yung format. Hindi na natin titignan yung trending dollar amount niya. Tapos, we'll have a 360 view ng each Pops. Gamit natin yung rotator. So, and then, iwasan na natin yung time-lapse. So, habang nagkikwento tayo, buksin natin isa-isa. So after Feb 14, it took me until March 31 to buy more pops. So ito nga, silang dalawa. March 31, these are, yung code name nila is Undead. As you can see, Deadpool and White Walker. And then April 14, saka lang ako bumili ulit. So April 14, Lords naman. So we'll start with opening up the Undead. So, of course, as you know, Undead, si Deadpool, isa to sa mga initial items na ginawa ni Funko for Marvel. So, ito yung original. So, even before naging trending yung Deadpool movie, na sumikat si Deadpool bigla sa mga moviegoers, sikat na siya. Kasi part siya ng Weapon X kung saan si Wolverine na pinakasikat na X-Men is. So this is FP006 and this is Pop Marvel Universe 20. Okay, as you can see sa box, 6 yung kasama niya sa series na yan. Siya yung pinaka-common dyan kasi Doctor Doom nasa 1,000 yung price ngayon, as well as Ghost Rider and Phoenix. So si Silver Surfer and si Beast, so medyo may kamahalan na rin siya, pero hindi siya kasing mahal nung tatlo. Tapos ito naman, yung sumunod is FP007. Ito yung una kong Funko Pop na hindi bobblehead kasi it's out of Marvel. So you notice since 1 to 6 puro Marvel. So, of course, yun nga, it started the craze nung Game of Thrones. So, this is White Walker. P006. So, as you can see, say Deadpool with his sword and a gun. So, bubble head, and then maganda yung color niya. Nakapili ako ng magandang items. So, ganda. Medyo pantay yung ulo and stuff. And then ito, sobrang detail ng ginawa nila sa Game of Thrones. Although, kung mapapansin nyo rin sa other Game of Thrones na pops, sobrang detailed niya. Sinusud nyo talaga yung sa palabas. And then next is Lords. So, Sith Lord and then Pirate Lord. So, this is Star Wars. Ito yung una kong Star Wars. And then, of course, Star Wars 01 siya. Siya yung unang ginawa ng Funko for Star Wars series. Ito rin yung sinasabi ko dati sa mga previous videos na licensed siya to have bobblehead. And then, you'll also notice meron siyang base na merong logo ng Star Wars. Pakita ko sa inyo. So, maganda rin yung nakuha kong item nito. Detailed yung damit, yung helmet, and then yung lightsaber niya. So, ito si Darth Vader. That's FP008. Sa mga bagong Star Wars na items, hindi natatanggal yung base. Ito, with the new ones, na tatanggal yung base. So, ito siya. Balik natin sila. Base. And then, sa series niya, series 1 is, nakita nyo, merong 7. So, yung original is Darth Vader, Yoda, si Han Solo, si Leia, Stormtrooper Chewbacca, and then si Greedo. So, wala pa si Luke Skywalker sa mga unang set. Pero, currently dito, 4 lang yung meron ako. Yung Greedo kasi parang isa siya sa mga konti lang. Pero hindi siya ganun kamahalan. Pero isa siya sa mga commons na hard to find na. Tsaka si... tapos, ang maganda din dito is sa Star Wars, merong blue box, which is yun yung unang release. So, mas valuable siya. So, it's a good thing. Back in 2015, regular pa siya. So, nakakabili ako ng blue box. So, next is Jack Sparrow. So, Jack Sparrow naman, of course, as we all know, Disney. Ito rin yung unang Disney, isang unang Funko Pop ko in line with Disney. Although, halos lahat naman yan, yung Marvel ngayon is under Disney. Pero initially, ito lang, mabigat yung item na to. Yung una, nakakainis ko kasi, as you can see sa box, meron siyang dent. Kasi yung sombrero niya, yung cap niya nakaganon. So, this is my second non-bubble head. So, detailed din siya with Jack Sparrow. Isa siya sa mga commons na madali lang hanapin ngayon. Parang may kamahalan na siya kasi vaulted, pero hindi siya kasing mahal ng mga kasama niya, lalo na sa series 4 niya. Halos lahat to na nasa likod, marami yan, nasa 12, marami yan. So, halos lahat yan is hard to find, and also nasa thousands na yung presyo niya. Pesos, 1,000 pesos. So, ayun, pero 360 muna with the 4 pops. That wraps up episode 12. So we have 4 pops. So March 31, 2015, we have FP006 Deadpool, FP007 White Walker, then April 2015, FP008 Darth Vader, and FP009 Jack Sparrow. So, of course, bago natin tapusin ang ating video, today's advice. So, today's advice, give spiritual strength to people and they will give genuine affection to you. So, not just moral support, not just financial support, emotional support. If we give them yung totoong pagtulong, support, spiritual strength nga, giving out our heart and soul to the people that we love and the people that we help. Of course, we can get yung totoong respeto, pagmamahal, pabalik. Because, of course, mafe-feel nila yung pagtulong mo is totoo rin. So, susuklian nila yon, makakuha ka ng ang pagbalik na tenfolds. So, spiritual, of course, God-given strength and genuine love to one another, to others and to friends and families, of course. So, I'll leave you with that. Thank you very much for watching. Again, like, comment, and subscribe. And do whatever makes you happy, as long as you don't step on other people's happiness. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Okay, so for the unboxing and review of the past pops that I have, we're currently at 9. So, last ending credits, we're currently at 261. So right now we are at 267. So let me show you the new ones. I got 4 dragons. So these are the dragons. Toothless. Ito yung new Toothless. Light Fury. Dumating na yung PO. Another dragon, Spyro. Another dragon, Dragon Ball Z. So, Super Saiyan Goku. Super Saiyan 3. Also next, tinatry kong i-collect yung lahat ng Funko Pop rides. So I'm currently at 19. As of now, for what I know, it's at 63. So I'm at 19 out of 63. This is number 19. Carol Danvers on motorcycle. So of course, as we all know, this is Captain Marvel. So for the new Captain Marvel movie. And our last is Toy Story na merong bagong movie, si Bullseye. So that's my February 28, 2019 haul. So this is FP262 Toothless, FP263 Light Fury, FP264 Spyro and Sparks, FP265 Super Saiyan 3 Goku, FP266 Carol Danvers on motorbike, and FP267 Bullseye. That's all for the video. Thank you very much for watching and staying. So see you episode 13.